New episodes Mondays on Style before meets after. Wednesdays on Style. If they have to ask, they already know. How do I look?
Ginaya na si Jenny Mai. Honey, lagi niya ginagaya yun. Sana nakita mo, nagbow pa. Ano, nakunan ko dito. Ginaya niya pati yung pagyuko ni Jenny Mai. Oh, nagaya ng shoes.
Tonight's the open house. I already hired Gigi, Alexa, and Anthony. But then I have Tracy.
Walang mintis yun, Nan. Basta commercial yung kay Jenny Mai na yun. Sisigaw din siya.
And then I have Olivia and Ashley for makeup. What grade do you